Hello guys, Shawnee here, again. My freaking data ran out. I hate this. But yeah, look. It's starting to clear up now, I do believe. I have no idea.
No.
This is like Mother Nature's doing. My... God. There's my idiot stepbrother.
I'm not an idiot.
But anyway, there's my stepbrother, dad's truck, there's my mother's car. This is insanity. Look at that dumbass.
Same thing.
Yeah, I don't care. I ran out of data last time. But look, guys, if any of you from Ohio, and your experience is this, good luck to you. If you're in Randolph County and experiencing a flood watch, good luck to you. I hope it doesn't flood your house. But yeah, there's lots of thunder and lightning. I don't know if you can hear it because my phone's not a high resolution iPhone. I don't know if you can see the lightning either, but my...
There's a bee. Right here. Chilling right there.
Oh, yeah,
I mean, look.
Ever heard bees can't fly in rain?
He's just chilling.
You can't go out there. Bees can't fly in rain. Hey,
Look.
Hey, you didn't record this bees.
Oh yeah,
They're
there's...
here. They're chilling. They're chilling.
Look at that dumbass. It's betting... Man, a bike. Yeah, my birthday's only a couple months away, so if any of you want to wish me a happy birthday, please do, if you want to. That's all I'm saying, but yeah, this is insane, and it's picking up again, guys. This is insane.
Cold.
It's cold, it's wet. Well, you can already guess that. But anyway, it's wet. It's pouring down through here. It's insane. I'm not getting off my front porch. I'm not getting off. No matter how bad it is, it's bad. There's thunder, there's lightning, there's everything. But yeah, look. Mother's car, there's everything. Everything's just gone bad.
Hi.
Yeah, I don't like the rain very much. Yeah, I'm kind of like a cat. Yeah. Go ahead, make fun of me in the comments below. But till the next video, I'll see ya. Bye.